Typically, the new year is when we promise to start doing stuff to improve our lives, but thanks to scientific findings unearthed last year, here are 5 respectable habits that we can stop in 2014. Hi, I'm Kristen of Stuff Mom Never Told You for D News. Growing up, your parents probably nagged you to clean your room, but now you can forget about that. A 2013 study from the University of Minnesota examined workplace environments and productivity and found that messier desks may actually stoke creativity and innovation. Not only could desk clutter pay off, for men, a less tidy face can also correlate to romantic rewards. That's right, guys. Forget about shaving in 2014 because a widely reported study out of the University of New South Wales determined that women find bearded faces more attractive than clean-shaven ones. But don't take my word for it. Just take a look at D News host Anthony Carboni. It's a good beard. Ladies can also let it all hang out this year thanks to a French study suggesting that women can abandon their bras. Based on 16 years worth of breast data, the lead author determined that wearing bras might deter supportive breast tissue growth. That said, taking the study's advice would most certainly not deter strangers' glances. And don't go wasting money on that January gym membership that you probably won't use, because while physical activity is good for cardiovascular health, there's actually such a thing as too much exercise. A Swedish study on endurance runners found that the more races they had completed during a 10-year period and the faster their finishing times, the higher their likelihood of developing arrhythmia or irregular heartbeat. Oh. And popping a multivitamin every day won't do much long-term good either, so go ahead and forget about it. Based on recent study findings on multivitamins' ineffectiveness at preventing heart attacks, cancer, and male cognitive decline, a December editorial in the Annals of Internal Medicine urged consumers to quit taking multivitamins in hopes of warding off chronic conditions. Instead, the editorial suggested one easily adoptable habit for 2014. Just eat some fruits and vegetables. So are you making any New Year's resolutions? Tell me about them in the comments below, and be sure to check out my channel, youtube.com/stuffmomnevertoldyou, and also don't forget to subscribe here for more D News.